The Einstein is which means the contract is the Einstein that our master has shown us at the beginning of the ceremony. The way we practice the surrender is by holding our hands firmly. That's all. Leave no gap between our fingers and test them flat on our chest. A contract is a mutual agreement. As we know, an agreement must be made between two parties. When we sit down, we establish an agreement with the universe. This is achieved by formally registering our names on the book of life and receiving the three figures. Okay. This will enable us to transcend the cycle of birth and death and eventually attain eternal life. This contract enables us to reestablish our relationship with God and to remind us of the rightful role that we must play in this life. Let us now drop into the meaning of the contract. On our right hand, there are 12 points which represent the different cycles of the universe. When we are holding the hand sign, our thumbs are pressing onto the position of our hand. Our thumbs are pressing on the point that is the beginning of the moment. The other thumb only hand cycle only back. And then we are holding the entire universe within our hand. In other words, the establishing a contract will enable us to see the balance of the universe. This contract is also from the Bible. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. This is the reason that the contract is also known as the Spirit of Heaven and Earth. The celebration and the fulfilling of the contract will enable us to see the balance of the natural universal or original praise of the kingdom of heaven. The celebration and the fulfillment of the contract and the elements of the bringing together to purpose the entire supernatural life to the understand. This moment of natural life is the power of reality. This is the most important message of the contract. We get down with the heaven and earth, we need to hold the energy in our hands. This is a very that our relationship with God. It is called permanent child of relationship. We can also learn about how honoring, that is the creator of all things in the universe. This means that human beings, as a human being, we can also learn that